is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. How the heck are you? God, I can't remember how long ago it was that I did my last review. I mean, it's been a long time. I've been working on top 10 lists, and let's see, just got the top 10 Taiwan out last week and getting the top 10 spicy out later this week. But for today, we're going to have some takoyaki. This is from Nissin's Foods Singapore. UFO takoyaki. Osaka takoyaki, rather. So this should be interesting. But yeah, it's been, God, I want to say 3, 4, it's been about a month, I want to say. It's been a while, which is definitely not the norm for me. Okay, so we got the tray. We're gonna pour in the boiling water and and boil our fingers with it. It has been a little while. I'm out of practice, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Okay. That's good. And then we'll turn on our new Wonder Clock. So the Wonder Clock show has begun. You can call it the Wonder Show Zen, I guess, if you wanted to. But yeah, it's Monday the 21st of 2022. A couple days till Thanksgiving. I had a really neat thing happen yesterday. I was like on Facebook, and we've got a buy nothing group here in town where you can get free stuff that people don't want. Well, there was a turkey. Somebody had a turkey and nobody had commented. Got a 24-pound turkey. If anybody wants it, need it picked up as soon as possible. I'm like, asking my wife, you want a turkey? Because we're going up to my sister's, and yeah, we're gonna have soup. We're gonna have zuppa toscana, a really good Italian soup. We're not Italian, but it's good soup. Anyway, so she's gonna make that. We can go up there and have some fun with the kiddies. And but we kind of wanted to make some kind of large meat thing, and we're like, hey, let's get a turkey. Yeah, but turkey's so expensive. Donald Trump said nobody will have a turkey for Thanksgiving this year, so we were kind of like, oh boy. Although they're everywhere. You can't go anywhere without bumping into a turkey. It's total BS. That guy is insane. And he's on Twitter again, because that other insane guy. Anyways, I know how much you hate. I know I'm pointing at you, guy who hates me when I talk about politics. But anyways, long story short, they put up a turkey, and I was like, I can go and walk right now and get it. She was like, yeah, let's get it. And they said, yeah. And it turned out it was a place that we got some toys for the kids from a while back. So there's a bird in the fridge. I named him Larry Bird, you know, like Larry Bird. And so now we have a turkey that we'll probably have on Black Friday or off-color Saturday. I really don't know. I don't have any more bang drinks. I don't know who makes this stuff. I like it. It's about the same deal as bang drinks. They're called Reign, like Reign Supreme. But yeah, anyway. Yeah. Been doing a walk, and it's been getting cold, real cold. Like my joints and bones ache from walking in sub freezing temperatures. I hear it's absolutely insane in New York right now. They got like 5 feet of snow. That's insane. That's a lot of snow. And yeah, let's get rid of this filthy water. It's not filthy, it's just water that's unnecessary. But God, what else is going on? Oh, yeah, a friend of mine, she died. She was my old boss from a consignment clothing place that I worked at up in Anacortes. And she was a very interesting lady, really nice, really funny too. And yeah, really bummed. But, you know, I'm kind of bummed. I wish I would have had a chance to say hello to her before she passed, because it's been a while. But yeah, it was like all vintage clothing and stuff. And I actually learned a bunch about what I did is I sold clothing for her on eBay, or at least I did the listings. Mind you, this was back in like, God, was this even in the 2000s? This was a long time ago. It might have been in the 2000s. Yeah. Early, maybe like 99, 2000, something like that. And let's see, we start with the powder session. But yeah, just really neat lady. She had this, it was like, she never paid me all that much, but I didn't care. My folks thought that I was crummy. She's taking advantage of you, blah, blah, blah. It's like, I like doing what I'm doing. I would like to get more money, but I know she really does not have it. Rent's expensive at that space and blah, 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 blah. But it was fun. It was like, it made me feel like I was doing something. And, but she got all this consignment clothing in, and some of it was really fascinating. A lot of it was antique. So she had like a seal fur, like clubbing a baby seal. Yeah, a seal fur stole, which is basically just like a piece of fabric I guess ladies used to like drape over their shoulders. And I tell you what, that thing was weird. It was allowed at the time to be put on eBay. I don't know if that's the way it works now, but it wasn't like it was new. They didn't like club a baby seal recently. It was an old seal. But yeah, the softest thing I've ever touched, bar none. It was so soft. It's hard to describe, but it was like, it was so soft that it was cold, which you'd have to experience. It was really weird. And then they, what else did she have? She got one thing that I was just like, oh my God, I'll work for you for free for the rest of the year for this. It was a zip-up green jacket, and it was custom, and it was Versace. It was like a tailored Versace jacket. And I was like, dude, I should have just found a way to get my folks to buy it for me. I mean, this thing was nice. And I'm not really like a big fan of like name brands or anything like that. But this was really quite exceptional of an article of clothing. It was like +5 to like, wow, that's really nice. Yes, I will taste it. I just want to get everything all set up first. It also has seaweed and mayo. And I know what seaweed tastes like, and I know what mayo tastes like. I will taste it with those on it. But my main goal is to try to make this look like takoyaki. And of course, I don't have any octopus bowls here. But I do have something that might slightly pull off that kind of look. Although it really doesn't, but it's kind of vaguely a thing. So let's do this. Give it a taste right here. It said it had fish in it. It didn't say it had octopus in it. Oh wow. Like bacon seafood. That's what it tastes like to me. It's like a bacon seafood. I had something recently that kind of gave me that feeling. Yeah, so I've got wow. Oh, those are horrible. Massively freezer burnt fish balls. I'm talking. Wow. Now is it? So it's got seaweed with it, and generally, I'm pretty sure it's either like kazami nori or it's powder. And this is powder. So we'll go with the powder. I found this in the powdery stuff often in what do you call it? Ichiban chow mein. That's the only ever time I've found an instant noodle that has just powdered seaweed. And then we have mayonnaise. Just regular mayo. It does taste like Japanese mayo. It's got that little bit of lemony and kind of extra sweet thing going on. A little bit of seeds, maybe a little bit more. And I will use some, where are ya? I reorganized my spice rack recently. Hey. That's a fun thing to do. So I just need to find it. Here we are. I wish I didn't need any shichimi or I wish I did need shichimi actually. Because at the grocery store, they've got this stuff on clearance. And usually they want like $5 a jar of this, which is like highway robbery. But they've got them for like $1.70 a jar. I'm like thinking maybe should I just like get some for when I do need it. I don't know. Anyways, you like a rotato, huh? Why is it so bright? Why is everything so bright lately? I don't know. But you can enjoy rotato for a few seconds. Thanks for watching. The next one we're going to have is the first of probably every 3 episodes of the show you're going to see is going to have one of these from Vite Ramen for a while. They sent me their entire lineup in this new version 3.0. They call them patches, which I think is funny. It's like, I know those guys are like really into gaming. I can't remember what Call of Duty or I don't think it's Call of Duty. I don't know. But they were like in a college gaming group and were really into like group gaming. But yeah, this is their vegan ramen chili edition 3.0 with special chili oil by Flyby Jing. So yeah, check that out on the next show. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hope your universe is sane. Have a good one, and bye-bye.